Listen and practice.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
No problem.
No problem.
Please.
Please.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Can I help you with anything?
Can I help you with anything?
What's your name?
What's your name? My name is Sam. My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How's it going?
How's it going?
What's up?
What's up?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
I'm from France.
You look great.
You look great.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Are you free to chat?
Are you free to chat?
Can you speak more slowly?
Can you speak more slowly?
Exactly.
Exactly.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
I'm 21 years old.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I need your help.
I need your help.
I have to go.
I have to go.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Let me check.
Let me check.
Can I get you something to drink?
Can I get you something to drink?
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Well done.
Well done.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
This dish is delicious.
This dish is delicious.
Where is the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
I'm so sorry to hear that.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Should we grab a bite to eat?
Should we grab a bite to eat?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
I'll call you.
I'll call you.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Watch out.
Watch out.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Do you want to go out tonight?
Let's have dinner together.
Let's have dinner together.
I'm starving.
I'm starving.
That was delicious.
That was delicious.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm feeling lonely.
I'm feeling lonely.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
I don't know.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
What happened?
What happened?
What time did you get up?
What time did you get up?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Call me when you get home.
Call me when you get home.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Can we meet tomorrow?
I miss you.
I miss you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'll check if I'm free.
I'll check if I'm free.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
That's funny.
That's funny.
I am feeling nervous.
I am feeling nervous.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
It's raining today.
It's raining today.
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Have a safe trip.
Have a safe trip.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Can you take a picture of me?
Can you take a picture of me?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Can you give me a ride to the airport?
Can you give me a ride to the airport?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can we have the menu, please?
Can we have the menu, please?
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
Where can I exchange money?
Where can I exchange money?
What's the exchange rate?
What's the exchange rate?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Can I pay with a credit card?
Can I pay with a credit card?
That's exactly how I feel.
That's exactly how I feel.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation.
Is there a discount?
Is there a discount?
May I ask a question?
May I ask a question?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
Could I try this on, please?
Could I try this on, please?
How's your family?
How's your family?
Could you do me a favor?
Could you do me a favor?
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
It's urgent.
It's urgent.
Calm down.
Calm down.
No worries.
No worries.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I need some advice.
I need some advice.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
Let's grab a cup of coffee.
Let's grab a cup of coffee.
Where is the nearest restroom?
Where is the nearest restroom?
What is your favorite holiday?
What is your favorite holiday?
I've changed my mind.
I've changed my mind.
Don't stress.
Don't stress.
No way.
No way.
I'm married.
I'm married.
I'm very busy.
I'm very busy.
I don't have time now.
I don't have time now.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Can you say it again?
Can you say it again?
I respect your opinion.
I respect your opinion.